To manage Absa Bank Forex rates effectively, it is essential to understand the basics of foreign exchange and how Absa Bank operates. Start by visiting the Absa Bank website to access their Forex section, where you can find current exchange rates, historical data, and other relevant information. The next step is to open a Forex account with Absa Bank, which can be done online or by visiting a branch. This account will allow you to buy and sell foreign currencies and manage your Forex transactions. Understanding the different types of Forex rates is crucial. Absa Bank offers various rates, including spot rates, forward rates, and exchange rates for immediate and future transactions. Spot rates apply to immediate transactions, while forward rates are used for future transactions. To get the best Forex rates, it is recommended to compare rates across different banks and Forex providers. Absa Bank offers competitive rates, but it is essential to consider other factors such as fees, commissions, and service quality. When managing your Forex account, it is vital to stay up to date with market trends and exchange rate fluctuations. Absa Bank provides market analysis and news to help you make informed decisions. You can also set up rate alerts to notify you when the exchange rate reaches a certain level. To minimize risks associated with Forex transactions, consider using hedging strategies such as stop-loss orders and limit orders. Absa Bank offers these services to help you manage your risk exposure. In conclusion, managing Absa Bank Forex rates requires a good understanding of foreign exchange, the different types of Forex rates, and how to use the bank's services effectively. By following these steps and staying informed, you can make the most of your Forex transactions and achieve your financial goals.